Mexico, here we come.
It's like I didn't know. I'm like, I don't know.
What's up? We are in the hotel about to head out for the next day of the rally, and it's already a gorgeous day. Got a few people prepping. Got the Radical, Dr. M3, Daily Driven Exotics down there. But we're gonna hit the road, get going to the breakfast stop, and yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.
Good morning. Hey, DDE. How you doing? Good. I know, right? I did.
So yeah, that was Damon's car turning on. That is the loudest Huracan I've ever heard. That thing sounds so great. Yeah, they're in the little front area. We're out here with the first spot of the day, or stop of the day, grabbing breakfast, and got half the crew here. Alrighty, the lot's now finally full, and as you can tell, everyone is here as far as car spotters and the rally group, and yeah, heading back to America, getting stateside. Check this out. Liberty Walk, Aventador.
Got it down pat. So other than that, we have a fantastic 6 days ahead of us with a lot of venues and events. Some stuff I hope will blow your mind away, because that's some of the things we've seen along the way and we've planned. It's something special.
Alright guys, we are actually at the border about to cross over to the States, but we first gotta gather everyone from the rally so we can kind of just flood the gates and hopefully just get through as a group. So here's what's going on. We got all the cars. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying the rally content. Amanda, how are you doing?
Good. I'm gonna go get some more drinks. Your car's still unlocked to see.
Half-hour cut on the water. No. Have like a 9.5 hour.
Probably my favorite car of the rally right here. We got the Golf livery.
Mexico, here we come.
It's like I didn't know anything in the back. I'm like, I don't know.
Good. We are stuck in line with Anthony from MADWHIPS, Dave and Damon from DDE. Rally portion just got through. We got Stradman sitting passenger for Anthony, and yeah, we can just hope to get through the border quickly.